How to use Google Chrome as your default PDF viewer on PC. This tutorial shows you how to set it up so PDFs automatically open in Chrome instead of another app. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. From there, click the three dots at the top right. After that, click Settings. At this point, click Privacy and Security on the left sidebar. Following this, click Site Settings. From here, scroll down and click Additional Content Settings. At this stage, click PDF Documents. Following this, make sure Open PDFs in Chrome is toggled on, since this is what makes Chrome your default PDF viewer within the browser itself. If you want PDFs to open in Chrome even when double-clicked from your File Explorer, there's one more step outside of Chrome settings. From here, right-click on any PDF file on your computer. At this stage, click Properties. Following this, next to Opens With, click Change. From here, select Google Chrome from the list of apps. At this stage, click OK to apply it. Once set, every PDF you double-click from your files will open directly in Chrome instead of whatever app was set as default before. That's how you use Google Chrome as your default PDF viewer on PC. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.